Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are going well, and if you are new to my channel then please take a moment to subscribe it, as it really means a lot to me, and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. In this video, I'm just going to curl my hairs properly and I'll teach you how to curl your hair, because whenever we are curling our own hairs, sometimes we used to burn our face, sometimes we used to burn our fingers, and any segments of our hair remains uncurled or unstraightened. So just to avoid that, I'm going to teach you how to curl your hairs properly sitting at your home, not spending thousands and thousands on beauty parlor. Just go ahead with the straightener. Yes, it is a heating process, so make sure to apply a heat protecting. Here I'm using the heat protection from Toni & Guy, and this one costs for rupees 750. I feel like it has a great smell and it has a really nice capacity to protect your hair from that heat, because I feel like you shouldn't heat your hairs often. You should do it rarely, or you can say you have to curl your hair or straighten your hair often, then make sure to apply any kind of heat protectant before curling or straightening your hairs. So the curler which I'm using here is from Remington, and I have no complaint with this curler. I'm using this curler from last 2 or 3 years and I really like it. Its brand is really nice, has a nice control of temperature. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. So I'm heating it up on the highest level, which is the second. आपको एक बात अच्छे से ध्यान में रखना है कि आपके फेस से हमेशा ये दूर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि आपके फेस को बर्न कर सकता है. सो कभी भी आप हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग कर रहे हैं, कर्लिंग कर रहे हैं, आपको उसको हमेशा फेस से दूर रखना चाहिए. नाउ आई एम डिवाइडिंग माय हेयर्स इनटू फ्यू सेक्शंस. जब भी आप सेगमेंट में अपना हेयर कर्ल करते हो या स्ट्रेट करते हो, वो सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉपर होता है. और यहाँ पे मुझे सिर्फ लूज कर्ल चाहिए, बिकॉज इट विल शो योर हेयर सो वॉल्यूमनाइज्ड. So because of that, I am taking this much segment of my hairs. You can take thin also. Now you have to hold it like this and wrap it around. And leave it for few seconds. तो मेरा पहला सेक्शन हो रखा है. इसी तरह से आपको सेक्शंस लेते जाना है. Like this curler, see how beautifully it curls my hair. I really like this curler. I'm using this curler from past 2 or 3 years and I don't have any complaint. So this is how you should curl your hair. You should have to make segments properly. You can make 6 also, it's up to you. Because I was wanting it to be a loose curl, that's why I didn't make that 6 segments. You can definitely go ahead, and you should keep your face always away. Curl your hairs on Indian attire also and Western also. It looks so adorable, and especially when I am having straight hair, I have a special affinity towards curling. So with this, I wrap up my video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Till then, take care guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.